right, here we go. Question number 10 from our Precalculus homework number 3 in MyLab Math. It says use the guided visualization to answer the question. So we're going to have to click this link to open a new window. If we read on, it says set values of C to 1, A to 2, H and K both to 0. Use the slider to adjust the value of H from -3 to 3. Pay attention to the equation of the function and the vertical asymptote. Based on your observations, what would the vertical asymptote of, and here they give us a function, and they want to know what the vertical asymptote would be. So, if we open up the guided visualization, it says to set C to 1. Well, mine was already set to 1. A to 2. Well, again, mine was already set to 2. H and K both C. Well, everything was set the way they asked me to set it. Okay, it said move the slider to adjust H from -3 to 3. Okay, so that's going to move H all the way to the left. And then we're going to watch as we slide over. And as you can see, the red dotted line represents the asymptote. As H comes over, that is simply shifting the asymptote over. Now look up here in the formula. You're going to notice H is the value inside the logarithm directly attached to the x. So if we move that back over, we can see if H is -3, then the formula having a minus will change that into a +3. If you remember back when we talked about graphing transformations, we know that the number directly attached to the x would be a horizontal shift, and we said that plus is left, minus is right. So you can see from 0, as H becomes positive, remember we're plugging in and the two negatives make a plus, it is causing a shift to the left, a horizontal shift left. And then as H becomes negative, see when I plug that 3 in, it's -3, it is causing a shift to the right. So the value of H in this problem is your horizontal shift. Plus is left, minus is right. So after having discussed that, they want to know the vertical asymptote of this function would be what? Well, we just said that the number that is attached to the x inside the logarithm, that is a horizontal shift. Plus is left, minus is right. So this would shift our vertical asymptote to the right 5 units, which would make the vertical asymptote be at x = 5. Remember that an asymptote is represented by an equation. Right here it says type an equation. Because it's a line, it has to be an equation. And the equation is going to be x = 5. And we're done. If you have any questions or comments about anything that I've covered here, please feel free to leave those in the comment section below, or you can text me. And thanks for watching.